We are thrilled to announce an absolutely special partnership with Trade Ideas, the platform itself. You can get 30% off all weekend long this weekend, Trader TV 30 upon checkout. We are going to go through some of the basics you need to know when it comes to Trade Ideas. We're so happy to have Michael Noss, Chartered Market Technician from Trade Ideas, in-house today to give you a special rundown on how to use the platform if you're logging in for the very first time, Michael.
Yes, and you know, the platforms, trading in general is all very confusing. There's a lot of information to look at. So what we have this wonderful feature that we call the channel bar. If we go to my screen here, when you start Trade Ideas for the first time, you're presented with a pretty basic window that just allows you to open everything else in the platform. And we have talked about all kinds of features, from auto trading to artificial intelligence to pattern recognition to whatever scan you want. But to access this, it all starts from the new menu, right? From the new menu, you have access to all of our different scans. But what I'm going to focus with to get started is our channel bar. So as soon as you open this up, you're presented with a blank screen, but all of this good information right on the left-hand side here. So these are pre-built, complete layouts for all of our clients based on what it is that you're interested in, not only as trading total, but just at that particular time. So, for example, you may start your day by clicking on the pre-market channel, and this will load up with a pre-built channel that will show you the stocks that are gapping up and down the most pre-market. If you're looking at this during the pre-market, you're going to see things moving around saying, you know, hey, this thing is starting to spike up. Maybe there's some volume moving. Maybe there's something going on in the pre-market for this, and then maybe after that you decide you're a momentum trader. So we have a momentum channel right under that, and switching to this is going to give you a whole other breadth of layouts. It's going to be more intraday focused. It's going to be kind of low float momentum, the fun stuff that everybody likes to trade. But then you can just continue to jump around, right? If you are a swing trader, we have a swing relative strength system that you can click on here, and you get some picks that are generated algorithmically that says, hey, these are some stocks that are strong for you. Now, one thing you may want to do as you're clicking through these, you may want to kind of take some of these and make them your own. And you can actually right-click. Right-clicking in the middle of a window is kind of the best way to bring up all of your options in each individual scan. So, for example, if I really like this window right here, which shows all of the relative strength picks from this week's algorithm, if I always want to keep this window on my side, I can just right-click. I can say duplicate into a free-floating window, and then now I own this window. So as long as I then go through and I start switching through, so say, for example, I want to go back, I'm still in the pre-market, and I want to go back to the pre-market, I still have access to this window. So being able to first start with scans that we create and pick and choose from them as you go. You know, you go to one channel, you're like, this is a scan I like. Maybe you go to another channel and you talk about, oh, you know, I really like the look of this chart. That's the best way to get started before you kind of really dive in and start customizing from there.
If somebody wants to maybe customize a little bit further, and you know, they hear this loud guy named Sean on a trading show on YouTube talking about this specific scan that he uses all the time, tell everyone how easy it is just to incorporate a scan that's custom built onto anyone's account.
Yeah, so we have this ability. We absolutely love it. You can email in to us if you want to see any of the scans that you're seeing the gentleman use today. But you can use what we call cloud links. So you can share, and basically what will happen is they will share their scan to the cloud, and we keep all of these in-house for the people at Trader TV. And yeah, when you right-click and you save that, that will generate a link here that I have up on my screen. If I click Save to Share, it creates this little generated link. So say you have some friends that you trade with, say you have a loud guy named Sean that you like his scans or something like that, you can say, hey, can I take a look at your scan? Can I take a look at your layout? And they can save this layout and they can copy it and they can send it over to you. When you get that on the other side, you just go up to that main title bar that I talked about initially, and you just go File and Load from Cloud. You can paste that link just using basic copy and paste into this little bottom bar right here. And as soon as you click load, you can see I have access to that scan that I just sent. And this is a great way to share scans, customize, and tweak things from there.
Just that easy, guys. An absolutely great platform that we rely on very heavily every single day on this show. Go check them out, Trade Ideas. Few basics there from Michael Nosh, Chartered Market Technician at Trade Ideas. Thanks for being here.
Thank you very much.